Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your account has live Gemini enabled and the browser or app has camera and microphone permission. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open the live Gemini session and pick the model version that balances capability and speed. Next, choose your input mode: voice for conversational flow, text for precise prompts, and set latency preferences so responses stream smoothly. Make sure to test audio levels quickly so the model hears you clearly before moving into full interaction. You now focus on how you prompt live Gemini. Begin with a concise system instruction to set role and tone, then layer follow-ups to refine details. Because output varies, adjust temperature for creativity and max tokens for completeness. Lower temperature yields deterministic answers, higher gives variety. Make use of the context window, provide short docs or file uploads to ground responses. Once you send a structured prompt, watch the streaming output and intervene with clarifying prompts to guide the model toward your exact needs. You finish by reviewing the generated content, asking for edits or clarifications until it meets your standard, then save transcripts or export artifacts for downstream use. Make sure to set sharing or privacy options before closing the session. If the session lags, switch to a smaller model or reduce streaming quality to improve responsiveness. If answers drift off topic, tighten your system prompt and resend context. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the session and re-upload the key context if outputs remain inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.